Moroto District anyesde loki kintebe edoluno lapalo sodito karwangon udautos kesa ekisare tungam Ekato lode covid lwedo leta kaisa kanya poto monangoni kwatat idoko pekwa nam itunga bere ledo leta kaisara luongon kisida pedo sim adumune katongon edosilo sodit idom Moroto nyesda bodumunte idosini ledo lete ilukumniare lude katongon loka modena obuni lukumni unike da kwatare ngoni loka AstraZeneca obuna kwataka nyauni ngoni loka Sinovac idosini lukire kisda idoli tosine petain ilukumini kanyape ido itosomaite kopekwa netungo pola ipudinoi.
So far we've vaccinated approximately 17,000 people with the first dose of the vaccines. And this is a variety from Moderna, Astra, Sinovac, and recently Johnson & Johnson. So that is about 24% of our target population for the first dose of the vaccine, COVID vaccine. We are still way below our target, and so we are waiting for the regionalized campaign approach towards vaccination.
Ye muto la joka kanyezida ebecha muto stunga kwa na ikise katolo konyero ngati nze jai nedeja situnga ludo chaloi no ine choko koibaren lude tion kintabo ngono radum ne dos ngoni lodo yare idom anedo kwa na nyezida ilipite reriongete loda ngaleu ayanga une katongolo ka Johnson & Johnson loda omita ida abone bem tile peda ingara kinara ichuma kiniro na tipete bon.
You know, as Ikaramoja, we are pastoralists, so we basically move from place to place in search of water and pasture. So that means the best vaccine for this target population is actually a single dose vaccine, which is Johnson & Johnson. It becomes difficult tracing someone for their second dose. It's an uphill task, almost impossible. Because someone today is in Moroto, the other day they have crossed over to Kenya, and we do not have very good network coverage. The majority of us don't have phones, so we really think that Johnson & Johnson is the better version for us.
Ido James Ashilaku lode rai RDC orai double pole kinte task force lode corona otomano district nyezda bale bem apela atitu ngai jala tupita ichoreta nude la chunteri ngetela ngalo anuda itikitik anyala to inade corona.
Taxis take 50% the passengers, but some of them are taking full board. Border takes only one person and must have a mask. Border must operate and end as but hours of curfew. Beyond hours of curfew are no face. I therefore emphasize this to the enforcement police to ensure people should comply. Borders, bar operators, taxis, police traffic, not full board, 50%, bus 50%, daily hours of movement. So ensure that we comply and implement the SOPs.
Godfred Eyoku, TV East, Moroto.